Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A6 versus the A7. Let's begin by examining their distinct exterior designs. The A6 presents a classic sedan silhouette, offering a timeless and elegant look. In contrast, the A7 boasts a striking sportback profile, characterized by its gracefully sloping roofline. This design choice gives the A7 a more dynamic and assertive presence on the road, appealing to those seeking a bolder aesthetic. Moving inside, both the A6 and A7 share Audi's sophisticated interior design, featuring high-quality materials and the intuitive MMI touch response system. While the A6 offers a bit more rear headroom, thanks to its conventional sedan roof, the A7's cabin feels distinctly sportier. Both provide exceptional comfort and cutting-edge technology, ensuring a premium experience for all occupants, whether on a short commute or a long journey. When it comes to performance, both the A6 and A7 share robust engine options, including potent V6 powertrains that deliver impressive acceleration. The A7, with its sportier suspension setup, often feels a bit more agile and engaging to drive, especially on winding roads. Conversely, the A6 tends to offer a slightly more refined and comfortable ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting and longer trips. Finally, let's consider practicality and value. The A7 truly shines with its hatchback design, providing substantially more versatile cargo space compared to the A6 sedan. While the A7 generally commands a higher starting price, both models offer strong resale value and a luxurious ownership experience. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.